Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to access the USB settings on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 with Android 16, One UI 8. And to access the USB settings, it is very easy now. For that, just go to settings, and here where you see the search icon, just type USB settings. And now tap search, and here we have USB settings. Tap on it, and here are the USB settings. Okay, and if you connect your phone to your PC like this, now from here you can select your option. Now it's selected charging phone only, but you can select transfer files, use your fingerprint or PIN, and now on your PC you can transfer your files, your photos or videos to your PC. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.